Welcome back to another video of What's Cooking. I'm Lizzie, and today we're going to be making a loaded baked potato bar. So I already have my baked potato ready with sour cream and salsa on the side, and I have a variety of toppings: chili, cheese, bacon, guacamole, cilantro, onions, and tomato. So I'm going to be putting on whatever you want, but my preferences are cheese, onions, a little bit of bacon. It's always got to have bacon. A little bit of guacamole. And then to top it all off, a little bit of cilantro. Alright, and this will be in the bistro and the cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And again, you can choose any of the toppings of your liking. Thank you for watching.